looking for something or something, and I was just asking Liv, and she was pretty silent. I can't remember why she was silent. I think no, no, no. I wasn't talking about that. I was talking about when we were outside, and I was oh well, yeah. My dad's girlfriend said, "Ooh, it smells like weed," and I could smell it. So that was kind of my first time identifying what it smells like weed. So I was like, "Am I looking for like weed or or some type of hand or a leg or something?" And it wasn't really a big pile of dirt. It was more like if I had to say something like a body part was in there, it would probably be like a foot. I panicked, and my mom was like, What are you doing?" I said, I ran. I couldn't even speak. I was just like, I ran. I was out of breath, and I said, I heard something, and so I ran. And then my mom was like, "Oh yeah, what do you mean you ran?" I said, I heard music, and it was like very old timey music, and she was like, "Okay, where is the ant bag?" That's all she cared about. She didn't care about my well-being. She only cared about where that ant bag was. Would have seen it if I went back in the woods. And she said, "Yeah, there's a hood behind our house." I said, "No, no, there's not, because it's only woods." Because I went with my uncle, there was only woods, and so I even went with my cousin, and there's only like fields and woods. And so I felt very uncomfortable that my mom said that, "Oh yeah, there's a hood back there." No, there is not. I know. Oh, but I had to look up. I was trying to figure out what that music was because I couldn't explain it to anyone. All I knew it was just it was old timey, and I've heard it in like horror movies and in horror games with like these gramophones or whatever. And so I looked up the gramophone, and I'm gonna play a little bit of the music for you guys so you can understand kind of what it sounded like.